This is Harry Vocal, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Australian Dumbfuckery. If it wasn't bad enough on New Year's Eve when the fire started here and we saw absolute stupid behaviour where 9 out of 15 of my neighbours ripped down just about every tree around them and then wasted their most beautiful resource, which was water, which would have been to absolutely no avail for a bloody firestorm that was coming. Then it bloody rained, and right across Australia, within 24 hours, they're plucking yous out of the bloody rivers that you should never have driven through. Then along comes coronavirus, and yous wrap the shelves and go into absolute panic like a bunch of crazed dumb fucks. Now, last night, when I walk out of my veranda, 7 out of 14 neighbours are burning those piles of rubbish off, screwing the environment up once again. When are you going to stop acting like a bunch of uneducated redneck Yanks? For Christ's sake, Australia. This is Harry Vocal.